New subscription kits from Planything are now available. Let's check them out. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I am really excited because these are the January kits from Planything. It is her washi tape kit and her planner subscription kit, the planner kit. And I'm going to unbox these and share them with you today. Then we're going to create a page. Just a few reminders. So Planything has worked really hard. Amber over at Planything has worked really hard to bring these back after all of the tariffs and everything. All of the tariff prices are already included on the website, so you don't have to worry about any additional charges. On top of that, she has worked and researched and looked through all the different possibilities for shipping. The good news is that there are some more affordable shipping options available. So make sure to go check out Planything. If you were kind of turned away in the past because of the shipping from the Netherlands, she has been able to bring it down a little bit. And I know so many of you loved receiving these subscription kits. So make sure to check that out. This subscription kit, when you're seeing this video, is already available. So you want to head over to her website. I have an affiliate link down below. Head to the website and see if there are any slots open. They tend to fill up really fast. So check and see if there are any slots available. Today, I'm going to unbox the kits and then let's do a plan with me. Okay, I think I'm going to start with the washi kit. Always save these bags, you guys, because A, they're beautiful, and B, if you are a junk journaler, this is like calling your name because it is so pretty. Look at the inside too. All right, with the washi subscription, I love Planything washi. It's some of my favorite. It's my go-to washi in so many ways. Oh, this is all, oh, you guys, it's like visions of spring. While we're like trapped in winter right now, this is like spring coming soon. I love it. So you get 6 rolls of washi tape. A couple of the ones that I always love are the grid and the scalloped washi. Those always bring me so much joy. I love those so much. Then it looks like we have one that is like some watercolor. We have some butterflies. This one is floral and some stripes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, unwrap these and swatch them so you can see them a little bit closer. Okay, so here are the 6 washis. Beautiful, light, spring colors. I love this very pale pink. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. And I really like this watercolor looking one. I think those are so pretty. So as part of the washi tape kit, you get all 6 of those. These are exclusive to the kit. So if you are interested in these washis, the kit is what you're going to want to pick up. I feel like these are so great for just kind of building up your washi stash. I think Planything washi tape happens to be some of the most versatile washi tape. I use it over and over and over again. It's kind of my go-to company for washi tape because I love the sizing, I love the colors, I love the simple patterns. I just think it goes really well. So that is the washi tape subscription. And then next we're going to unbox the planner kit. Okay, here is the planner kit for this January. First of all, I can already tell, like, are you kidding me? So cute. Okay, let's start out with the washi. So we have 3 different washis. We have a beautiful green grid. This one, I always think of this one as like rows of houses is what that looks like to me, but it's a cool little pattern, has pink and brown. And then this one, are you kidding? I love this so much. So pretty. Yeah, a little obsessed with that one. Love that. So you have 3 washis, again, exclusive to the kit. Then this cute little pocket. Let's look at what this is. I think this is an adhesive pocket. Oh, you get more. Oh, you guys, you have more than one. That's really pretty. Okay, so you have the adhesive pocket. These are great for sticking on your dividers or on the inside covers of your planners for holding notes and receipts. So beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh, I didn't know you got three. I was perfectly happy with just this one. I didn't know you got all three. Those are so lovely. Oh, it makes me super excited for this kit. Books and blooms, you guys. Oh, I love it. Okay, then you have papers. Let's see our scrapbook papers. A beautiful book stack. Love that on the back. These look like bookmarks that you could trim out and use, which I love. And then you guys, obsessed with this. I want to go to there. So pretty. I like it. Okay, so how do you use the different papers? You can use them in lots of different ways. You could punch them and just pop them into your planner. I use them in spreads a lot. You can use them for card making, junk journaling. These are obviously lending themselves to becoming bookmarks. Lots of ways to use the papers, and it just gives you another creative outlet. And then what we all love about the subscription kit would be the brand new sticker books that are always included. This one is called Books and Blooms. Looks like it has 20 sticker sheets. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Beautiful green. Oh, look at the sweet cat and the coffee. These are on clear sticker paper. It's a beautiful green color. Love those. These are all the different bookstores, pinks and greens in here. Just so quaint and cute. Love those. You get 2 pages of each of the decorative ones. Oh, picnic. It's like a picnic with reading. Have all your little setups. That's adorable. Love those. Oh, that's super cute. A few functional stickers mixed in. Really good quality, like not cardstock, but a thicker white sticker paper, in case you're wondering. Oh, these, I'm obsessed. I love the stacks of books, and I like the florals on these. Those are very pretty. And stop it. Those are so cute. Look at, it's like a, I love those. So sweet and beautiful. I like it. Some more functional stickers. 2 pages of those. Oh, those are nice. These would be pretty with a little watercolor behind them. Oh, I like that. Those are cool. And these, you guys, I'm so glad she did these as opposed to like the bigger quotes. The word fetty and the like small phrases I could use over and over and over again. You get 2 pages of these. A room without books is like a body without a soul. A good book will pull you in and make you forget you're reading. Reading is a window into someone else's world. The best time to read a book is anytime. I love those. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful one. This is going to be popular. Book ones are always really popular, but I love the whole vibe. This matches so well. Oh, she did a great job curating it. So you have 2 different kits available this month. Again, head on over to the Planything website. I do have an affiliate link in my description box. It helps me out so much when you're able to shop that link. And let's do a plan with me. I am going to use these supplies to decorate a few pages in my Book Lovers insert. This is an insert that I designed last year, did not really use, but once again, reading more is going to be part of my plan for 2026, one of my big goals. And so I have a section in my hobby planner that is all pieces, I guess, from my Book Lovers insert. And it starts with this book tracker. And a lot of these pages are intended to be trackers and lists and things like that, and don't have a ton of room for decor. But that's one of the things I love about Planything stickers and Planything washi is that it allows you to add just those little bits of personality onto your page without having to have a huge sticker, or, you know, like it doesn't take a lot to just add some of these little tidbits. And so that's what I opted to do. I did a little bit of washi on the bottom. Upcoming releases. This isn't something I normally track, but I'm hoping to get into some different series where it will matter to me when a book comes out. So that's the plan. I also thought this particular page might be good. I want to join a book club this year. That is a goal because I would like to connect with some more people in my area. I thought a book club might be appropriate for that. So this might be a page that I use for that purpose. So we're just going to decorate a few little stickers here and there, have the washi tape at the bottom. The smaller scale of the Planything stickers work well on a page like this, where you just don't have the room to have a huge piece, but you still can add a little bit of personality. And in fact, I want to add a little bit more here at the top. This striped washi, I think might be my favorite of both kits. I think it is so beautiful. It's just the best. It's like the most perfect color. I love it. All right, let's pop that one in. Next, we have a spring bucket list, books that I would like to read this spring. Again, it's a lot of writing on this page. I don't have a ton of room for decor, but being able to grab some of the washi tape is going to make it really easy to add those little bits and pieces. I always find that book themed releases, whether it's about reading or just any book theme release, tends to be really popular. I think a lot of us in the planner community are a bit more introverted, so we tend to really adore reading because it's a nice cozy moment for ourselves. I also just think that people are loving books now and always, but it's just a wonderful escape. And that is what I am really hoping for in 2026, is that I can kind of lose myself in a few good books and just take that time to recharge. So that's the big hope. Look, see, just a few stickers and it just makes a big difference on the page. I was pretty pumped to spend a little time decorating this section. I wasn't sure if I was going to decorate this particular section. I always engage with a planner more if it's decorated, whether that's tracking pages, journaling pages, my regular planner spreads. If it's decorated, I'm much more likely to use it. So I wasn't sure if or how I would decorate these. And so this subscription came at the absolute perfect time. It just fits the vibe so well. It's like happy, but not like over the top bright colors. It's the calming, joyful vibe that I'm hoping to gain from reading a different variety of books this year. Which of course brings me to the question, what is on your reading list this year? I would love it if you would drop some recommendations for some books or some series that you are reading. I like lighthearted things. I love a romance. I don't want it to be scary or heavy. I'm not really into like murders and that. I just want a light escape. And so if you have any recommendations, I would definitely take those. So please leave some down below. This page ended up being my favorite one that I decorated. I cannot wait to start collecting quotes from books I'm reading. I'm thinking that what I'm going to do is have Post-its with me while I'm reading, so that if I find a quote, I can write it on the Post-it. I can put the Post-it into this planner and then come back and do hand lettering in those little Polaroids later on. That's the plan I'm having. So, or I could just underline in the book. That would work too. But I just want to add it at a later time because I think I want to use my very best handwriting to document some quotes. I love words. I love quotes. They always like touch me, and I hold on to quotes. I'm a big fan. All right, I just wanted to give a little bit more definition to the Polaroid. So I'm going to take a Papermate Flare pen, add a little bit more green with the dashed line. I love a good dashed line, that's for sure. But this green page just makes me really happy. It's a soft, beautiful color. Love, love, love. And then for the last pages, I just want to add a little bit of washi tape to kind of bring a little bit of color to the last couple of pages that I am working on. And this is what I mean about the Planything washi tape. It is beautiful and simple and allows you to add just that touch of decor. And I think sometimes people are like, why would I want so much washi tape? But it's because of the ease of decorating. A little bit of washi tape layered onto a page. You don't even need stickers half the time. The washi tape does the job for you, brings a little personality into whatever journaling page or planner page you're working on, and just makes a big difference. So a little washi tape on the last couple of pages, and that is going to be it for these planner spreads. This was so fun. I wasn't anticipating wanting to decorate in my book lovers insert today, but once I saw the collection, I knew it would be just the perfect vibe. So it was fun to dig into this, and I cannot wait to keep y'all updated on this insert throughout the year. Now, don't forget, the Planything subscriptions are now available. So you're going to want to head on over to the site. These are going to be it's a popular month. So head on over to the site, check it out. She has updated shipping and tariffs and all of that. So if you were nervous before, now's a great time to go see what all of the new costs are. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Huge shout out to my Patreon family. I could not be more excited about all the things happening in Patreon in 2026, kicking it off in January by celebrating new beginnings, including organizing, goal setting, all the fun stuff. It's not too late to join us. So head to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find a tier that works for you. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.